Hello beautiful blockchain people. Today let's analyze again the price chart of Bitcoin against Ethereum or Ethereum against Bitcoin. So probably once or twice a month we will analyze this price chart, and I remember last week we analyzed this price chart. So let's have a look on the updated, let's say, price chart of Ethereum against Bitcoin. So the current price is 0.065598. Ethereum has been declining against Bitcoin since the middle of, let's say, November. We will have a look at this, or since the very beginning of December. Let me remind you that there was a solid price increase in the first half of 2021. Then in the summer, a consolidation took place. We had a bullish engulfing here. We had a hammer. The price skyrocketed and recorded a new local high. However, here in December, a shooting star candlestick formed. So this is the shooting star, and a correction started. Since then, there has been a sequence of bearish candlesticks with descending maximums and descending minimums, local lows. Of course, I want to highlight that the previous candlestick, monthly candlestick, or for the month of February, had a small bearish body. It is within the range, let's say, of this body, of this hammer. Now, we're in the middle of March. We have already this small bearish candlestick. It has a maximum below the previous ones and a minimum below the previous ones. Of course, this candlestick may change. We have to constantly keep an eye on the price chart. But at the moment, this is a small bearish signal because the minimum has dropped below the previous one and the maximum at the moment is below the previous one. This is in the monthly time frame. So as a conclusion, I will highlight that the bearish pressure continues. Of course, these two candlesticks are much smaller than this one, so this is a signal that the bearish pressure is diminishing, or probably the bulls are starting to support the price, but the bearish pressure still continues. This is in the monthly time frame. Now let's check the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart. First of all, yes, we had a solid price increase, then we had a consolidation, the price skyrocketed, and since the beginning of December, a correction has started. And we have mainly candlesticks with descending maximums and descending minimums. Here we had some kind of consolidation, but now we have these candlesticks with descending maximums and descending minimums. Of course, we have to understand that there is a lot of support within this range. That's why we will see many rebounds. But I would like to highlight that at the moment it seems that the bearish pressure continues. Let's see what happens in the near future. Next, let's have a look at the daily chart. Okay, we have three moving averages. Let's start step by step. The first one is the 30-day moving average, or for the period of 1 month. The price has been below this moving average since, let's say, the end of December. So this is a small bearish signal indicating that in the short term, the bears are controlling the market. Once again, the price is below the 30-day moving average. Next, this is the 90-day moving average, or 1 quarter moving average, or 3-month moving average. The price has dropped below this moving average as well. Also, we had this bearish moving average crossover. So the 30-day moving average has dropped below the 90-day moving average. So this is additional bearish signal. We have to keep in mind this signal. But if we add the 1-year moving average, I would say that we're at a crossroads, because the price at the moment is testing the 1-year moving average, or here in the daily chart, this is the 360 days moving average. I would like to remind you fellas that since the beginning of this solid price increase, or since, let's say, the middle of 2020, the price has been always above this moving average, or the 1-year moving average. So this is a critical moment. Let's see what happens in the near future. Definitely this is a solid support for the price. Definitely this is a critical moment, because if the price drops below the 1-year moving average, this may put an end to this bullish, let's say, trend. Of course, if the price rebounds and resumes the uptrend, then we will see that the 1 year moving average is definitely solid support for the price. So this is according to the moving averages. So this is a critical moment. Now, the last but not least, in the daily chart, I would like to highlight that we've been following this potential or actually actual ascending channel or uptrend. So this is the uptrend. Of course, we can play a little bit with the trajectory of this uptrend, but it's obvious that there has been a sequence of higher lows and higher highs. So this is what the uptrend looks like. Of course, at the moment, we have to keep in mind that the price is testing the lower line of this uptrend. Let's wait and see what happens. Let's wait and see what happens. This is also a very critical moment for the price chart, not only if we have a look from a moving average, let's say, price perspective, but also from this, let's say, ascending channel price perspective. So this is the daily chart. Now let's check the 4-hour chart. Of course, I will remove this channel. So let me remind you that we've been following this ascending channel. The price during the fifth wave tried to exit this ascending channel and resume the uptrend. However, this attempt turned out to be an unsuccessful one because the price has started to decline and it has returned to the ascending triangle, and now we even have this descending channel or downtrend. So this is a sequence of lower highs and lower lows. That's why let's wait and see what happens. I would like to mention once again that as long as the price continues to move within this descending channel, I prefer to stay away from the market, or I prefer to buy Bitcoin over Ethereum because it is a clear bullish dominance of Bitcoin over Ethereum, or a bearish pressure in the price chart of Ethereum against Bitcoin. Of course, fellas, that is just my point of view. Let's wait and see what happens. Thanks for watching this video. Of course, please share your point of view as a comment below. I wish you a very wonderful day. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.